Welcome to our meditation for gratitude. Find a nice and comfortable place to sit. Now, slowly close your eyes. Get all your focus on breathing. Breathe a bit deeper than usual. Inhale and slowly exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Allow yourself to tune into your body and your breath, perhaps noticing the points of contact between you and the surface on which you are seated. When you feel yourself becoming more present in your body, you begin to become more grateful for it. You consider how it keeps you alive, even when you are not even conscious of it. Your body breathes for you, digests food for you. What else does it do for you? Take a moment to think about the ways your body surfaces you. Start focusing your attention on different parts of your body. Begin with your feet. Thank you, feet, for supporting me every step I take and grounding me to the earth. I'm grateful for my strong and capable legs, holding up my body and allowing me to move freely and explore the world. Let's thank your knees for your flexibility and strength, enabling you to bend, walk, and engage in various activities. Thank you for your thighs. Appreciate for the power and endurance supporting you in both small and large movements. Hips. Thank you, hips, for your flexibility and stability, allowing me to move with grace and ease. Now let's go to our abdomen. I am grateful for my abdomen, the center of my strength and digestion, supporting my overall well-being. Dear heart, thank you for tirelessly beating and pumping life through my body, sustaining my existence. Lungs. I appreciate my lungs for breathing in life-giving oxygen and keeping my body energized. Hands. I am grateful for my hands and their ability to create, touch, and connect with the world around me. Shoulders. I appreciate my shoulders for their strength, bearing the burdens and stresses of life. My back. Thank you, back, for your support and flexibility, allowing me to stand tall and move with grace. I thank you, my neck, for supporting my head and allowing me to turn and nod, expressing myself in various ways. I'm thankful for my head, housing my thoughts and senses, and allowing me to experience the richness of life. Thank your mind for its intelligence, creativity, and the ability to learn and grow every day. If there are any areas of your body that may be facing challenges, pain, or any discomfort, Acknowledge them with compassion. Say thank you, body, for working so hard, even in challenging times. And as you think about all that you were, begin to become deeply and truly grateful. Feel that gratitude within you is growing and rising, perhaps even putting a smile on your face. And as it feels so good, you say out loud or in your mind to yourself, "Thank you, I'm grateful." Now take a deep breath in while the feeling of gratitude. Now carry this incredible sense of gratitude with you as you go about the rest of your beautiful day. Thank you.